Hey, how's it going, guys? Wanted to show you applying the last coat here on some black plastics and show you what you can achieve with this. So you're simply just going to spray it on, or if you've seen my other video about applying it to an applicator, if you're worried about overspraying onto things, you can do that as well. But this whole car is getting done, so we're not worried about it. So you're just going to spray it on. You're just going to wipe it in. And you can already see how much of a drastic change it has given it. So just get it covered real well, because you'll definitely see where you don't get it covered, especially around like little nooks and crannies here. So just work it in there real well, then flip to your dry side, and then just buff it right back off to a high gloss shine, which I guess in reality it's really not too glossy, more or less just brings back the actual color to it. And the cool thing about this is that when you have have your finger or white glove or anything, when wiping on it, it's no greasiness or anything, so you're not going to get it on your fingers, on your clothes, anything like that. So you can see how much it literally restored this. This car is tracked, so it gets a lot of abuse, but you can see definitely a major difference. So there you guys go. And again, that is the last coat. So I hope that helps you guys out. Hope to see some really nice plastics. Have a good day.